Hello again, PH Digital, and we're going to see what's inside this box so I can stop using this as a microphone. Let's go. Alright, so this was a small package from Amazon, and this is a USB. Can you even read that? There we go. USB to C to 3.5 millimeter nylon adapter. And this is by JSAUX or JSAUX maybe. Warning, please use qualified charger and make sure USB port of the device is dry and clean with no impurities, or it might damage the cable or device and cause injury, failure, and damage. Alright, let's open this. Awesome. So as you can see here, it's red. Very red actually. Nice. Logo, braided cable. Cool. Here's my jack. And what this is for is filming videos. User guide. And we're going to do this. We're going to connect this lav or lavalier microphone, and then we'll see how it sounds. Hold on a second. Okay, so we're going to connect this to my OnePlus phone with the lavalier, and you'll be able to hear the sound. Here we go. Alright, so now this JSAUX is connected, and the audio, well, you should hear a difference. You can see right there, it's connected. There we go. So, mic check. 1, 2, 3, 4. And there you go. So, this is what I'm going to use for my videos. Thank you, JSAUX or JSAUX, for the USB-C to 3.5 millimeter nylon adapter. And now I won't have to use this for filming videos for better audio. And if you didn't know this already, yeah, you really don't want to use just the straight microphone when you're doing audio for videos, unless that's all you have. Well, this is PH Digital with another review for Amazon. And no, I don't remember how much this cost, but yeah, I'll include a link below. That's all for now. Goodbye.